My name is Richard Thurston. I graduated from interior design 3 years ago. I'm currently working at a workshop. So I started doing some 1 to 24 scale, working some crazy scales and miniatures, and it went for about 2 weeks. Then Richard Taylor decided to pull me off that because we were making houses off no plans, so it was ridiculous, and started working on some stuff for James Cameron's upcoming film Avatar, on some big props. Yeah, they're pretty insane props, so I've been kind of not so much miniatures, but they're called like bigatures, so quite a lot of model making involved, but just not in a miniature form. It's 1-to-1, so it's a lot of bog, steel, pretty much, yeah, laser cutting, rapid prototype, moulding, MDF, yeah, just a lot of components coming together, so it's pretty interesting. Yeah. First started off doing fine arts. I left school and painted for quite a few years and had a few exhibitions, and then the fine arts degree came up. So I thought, yeah, I'll start doing that. Got into that and then found myself doing a lot of spatial installations and dealing with space and how the human body deals with space. And then the interior design degree started, and I don't know, I was a wee bit unsure about the whole fine arts degree. It started getting a wee bit waffling, and I was starting to think career-wise, spending thousands of dollars every year, is it worth it? And I thought the interior design or spatial design degree might be a bit more beneficial. So had a word to Dorita, who was the head of interior then, and she showed me around and some stuff she wanted to do, and dealing with a lot of things that I was into, so I jumped on board. And good thing about the degree is you can embrace the fine art side of it, and that's what I was saying before, cross-pollinate, that's the cool thing about the degree is graphic design, industrial, spatial, performance, all comes together. And so individuality definitely comes in, it's cool. I know you guys encourage us to use heaps of different materials and those sort of things, so that was definitely an advantage, knowing how just bog and MDF work, and just using table saws and general tools, because you don't want to look like a muppet down at a workshop and not knowing how to use a tool or putting something together. So in the art department side, so set design, I think it's I don't know, it looks really interesting. It's always especially in the film industry, or even in theatre, I guess. You always got a new project, and you might work on it for 6 months, and research it to death. You'll love it, and then you learn heaps from it, and then you can just push it aside and take what you want from it, and then move on to the next project. So definitely want to keep going in that direction, trying to set design work.